Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to develop your problem solving skill to become better at programming. So here are two exercises. It's actually beginner friendly. So let's read the instruction. Perform the following tasks. Read string student name from input. Create a list containing value 50, 95, 80 in that order and a new key value pair to scores with student name as a key and the list as a value. Click here to show example. So this is the output. So how can we translate the first line into coding? So it says read string student name. So this means we need the variable student name and use the input function. The second line is to create a list containing value 50, 95, and 80 in that order. Add a new key value pair to score with student name as key and the list as value. So this line means that the score will be additional because it has the student name as a key and the list as the value. So we need the score scores dictionary. So now let's map the key to the value. So the key of the score dictionary will be the student name, and the value will be the list. Let me just copy this right here. Now the last line is to display, is to print into the console. So the result should match this format. So we need to print the key. The key is the student name. Actually, I don't think we need. Okay, I don't think we need the student's name. Okay, I need the S3 format. I thought I could have print without. Actually, I don't think I need. I shouldn't need it. I mean, it's just a student name. Print student. Yeah. Okay, print student name. Okay, I see now. Printf student name and call student name. So let's go ahead and test it by running the program. Let me go ahead and go down a little bit. Move this one up. Let me clear this too. So if you use del, here we go. So we have the output requested. So that's it for this one. Let me go ahead and comment that out. And let's go to the next problem. Let me go back here. So the next problem, the instruction is to integer dump data is read from input. Again, we need to turn that into coding. So num data, since it is an integer, we need the end function and input. All right. Representing the number of remaining strings in the input, use a for loop to read the remaining string from input. Okay, each string consists of a key showing the value string separated by space. Add each key value pair into the dictionary file with full. So this means also when we read, we also need a dictionary to store the key value pair, and the dictionary is file with full. Okay, so the num data we catch, we actually prompt user to enter the input. So after user enter the input, we need to enter the string, the information that we need to store in the dictionary. So it looks like it is a name and the food. So how can we translate that into coding? So we can use name, food, and input because we need to prompt that from the user. And then we're gonna split. So it's gonna separate the two. Now how can we map the name to the food into the favorite dictionary food into the favorite food dictionary? So all we have to do, actually I think I missed something. Let me go back and read. Use a for loop to read the remaining string. Okay. So we need to use a for loop here. For in range num data. So why do we use the for loop? So the for loop gonna allow us to prompt the user how many times we want. So for instance, if num data is 2, it's gonna ask user to enter a name and a food 2 times. If it's 4, it gonna ask user to enter the name and the food the fourth time. But according to the problem, it's actually 2 times. I mean, it is based on num data, so that's why we use num data. So now we can use the dictionary. Before we do that, we have to print favorite food. So we can print favorite food, and then we can print the dictionary. Favorite food. Actually, put it here, right here. Okay, let's try it now. So we can add two. Yeah. Let's go ahead and check it out. And then mushroom, and then soup, and bread. Oh, hold on. I think I made a mistake. Okay, I think these two are actually supposed to be. Okay, I see what I did. So we need to map the name to the food into the for loop first. And okay, so now it should work. So let's go back, try to mushroom soup and bread. Okay, here we go. So now we solve this part. So that's it. Hope you enjoy.